65 seconds. Two teams have gone 40.97, as Ricardo told you, this season. Kingston College and JC so far. In the set position. Sent on the way now, the first time of asking. Calabar got away well. So too, Wolmer's Jamaica College is very much in the mix on the first handover now. Wolmer's Calabar moving well based on the stagger. Jamaica College having a bit of a fumble, but they remain in contention. It's Calabar, JC, Edwin Allen down the backstretch as well. Kingston College has a bit of room to make up. Penultimate handover now. Calabar has the bit between their teeth. Jamaica College looks ominous as well. Kingston College, St. Jago trying to reel them in. Final handover now. They've got to get back to the boys from Red Hills Road. Calabar on top. Here comes Kingston College. Here comes Jamaica College. Calabar, JC, Kingston College. What a heck of a finish. Oh, it's desperately close. It could be Calabar. 40.98 seconds. The flash time. I think Calabar got it by the flare of a nostril.